Up YouTube. I'm doing a little quick review on my new football cleats, the Super Bad Pros TDs. Try to make it real quick. I don't got much time. Okay, they have the ankle brace, really good support. Orange, not the best color, but they're my school colors, so they look cool whenever I have my whole uniform on. Yeah, they're really good shoe. They're super light, super stylish. Really good traction. As you can see, it has 13 cleats, or 13 individual cleats in the whole in each shoe. They have the Lunarlon gel to add comfort. They're really just straight up a good shoe. I actually have one on so you can see what it looks like. Yeah, there you go. And from behind. There you go. Alright, YouTube, I just wanted to make a really quick review. I can't tell you too much on how actually the scientific stats about them, but I do know that they do help me quite a bit in my football training. Alright, YouTube, you're welcome. Have a good one.